About to go fishing with the fam. Loaded up the truck, chairs, the rods. Gotta make a Walmart stop though first. But yeah, they're not in the car right now though, but we they just got finished loading up everything. Gotta make sure wifey make sure she fill her cup up with some water and some ice and make sure that she is hydrated while we out here. Gonna go catch some fish today. I heard there's like a lot of catfish out there today, so probably gonna catch some of that. And they cut it for you there. We're gonna catch some of that. And that's probably gonna be dinner. You feel me? It's probably gonna be dinner, but it's gonna be a good time with the family though. It's as much needed for sure. So get out the house. You know anything about me, I know I love the nature. So but I get up with y'all probably when we get inside Walmart though. Yeah, when we get inside Walmart. So you said these are sticking in the ground?
Yeah.
We got the coolers off, of course. And she got a nice little rod. Hey, we gonna get some worm soup?
No.
Remember last time we got them? They were sitting inside the.
I think you.
Oh, that shit smell like
Why would you smell that? You should have got his face reaction on it. How much is that? But I think he bought. Oh, it's stank.
Babe, what you see?
But I think.
The hell is this?
That's bait. But I be seeing people on TikTok fishing with Kool-Aid and they just ball
Yeah,
food up.
Boosie did it, didn't he?
Yeah, they be fishing all kinds of shit.
This catfish, you know, they eat
Anything.
barbecue.
We can get this for our daughter.
Before you even open it.
Oh shit.
Oh, that's what we got there down there? No, we just go to the sauna section and get some more to it.
We can get this life jacket for her.
Oh, yeah, that's what we need.
You can get this life jacket for her.
They go fish grip.
Oh, yeah, I'm not.
What a fish grip,
$15.
man?
No, y'all can hold my fish money.
These hard. Bro, it's a whole fire in Walmart. Y'all ever seen a fire in Walmart? Y'all hear that? It's a whole fire in Walmart right now.
I'm sorry, I can't.
What that's heaven for? Don't need to make it difficult. Just say the word and it is a go.
Getting stuff out of the car. My first catch. First catch, boy. Didn't take long. I told you stop moving, bro. You're done. You're done. 5:41.
Got one catch.
Got one catch. Just one catch.
30 minutes.
30 minutes. She about to get something too. We gotta take it to the chairs though this time. It's our new thing now.
We'll be back in the morning.
Yeah, we'll be back in the morning. They close in a little bit, so just gonna take what we can get and be grateful, and then come back tomorrow. But I feel like she about to catch something before we leave though. She a pro.
Yeah, we're gonna have fun later on for it. We're gonna go to the escape room and have fun. I know it ain't.
We're here at the escape room.
I wish you would have did this shit. Let's do this.
We can't record while we in there, so you know, you're not gonna be able to get that. But y'all gotta check this out. So we either got the Sorcerer's Secret, the Outbreak, the Shed, the Bank Heist, Cabin in the Woods. We're gonna do one of those.
Is it a building?
And I know our love was never meant
go. Another one. Another one.
Baby, I don't think you hooked me right.
Another one.
I ain't catching shit. I was in the same area for hours. I'm joking.
Yeah. Got you. 2 times.
Look, Jake, see it? What? See, they do it to everybody. Trust me, once you start catching them, though, you gonna start catching them.
No, I'm saying it's right. Look right back to see. He still got the food, but look at the hook. It's an extra. Look at it. It's
Okay, it's
It's how they ate it.
yeah, it's just how they
Oh.
yeah.
Look, they took my whole shit. Literally, I ate a whole chicken leg.
Back up. You standing underneath the dripping ass stuff.
They left
back
the
up.
You call him by the eye too, kid.
You get him out without the gun.
Yeah, you have to.
That's a baby.
Let's get it. Another one coming soon. Kev, you killing me with these glasses. Let me live. Just let me live. We ain't never did nothing like this in Philly. Like I said, yesterday was my first time fishing. I ain't never fished. Caught me a fish though. And I caught me 2 today. So it's good, John. Starting off. But yeah, we out here. He's supposed to go ATV riding today, but they closed, so we're gonna go tomorrow. So I'll let y'all see that. There's some other stuff we're gonna do later on. So he's about to cut it up right now.
Nothing to it. Just pull it off.
Right on up, like butter. Damn, bro. Yo, they got me blowing up balloons. 200 balloons.
Well, Lenny, you can blow it up with me so John thinks you'll start trying to.
You want them to see your head?
Huh?
You want them to see it?
My head?
Yeah.
Hell no.
What?
Be careful, John, because that's where all the balloons gonna go.
They got me blowing up 200 balloons. I'm hurting right now. Tired.
Jen, you gotta keep this.
No, don't pull it.
What are
Okay.
you doing?
I was just say don't pull it.
Jonathan, just like sit
So
somewhere else.
the only thing is when you blow them up,
Man, y'all with the Sonic, I would've went with y'all.
listen, look. You see how it's oval? Let the air out until it becomes a perfect circle. You think I should do that Jeremy?
Almost done decorating. Got my guy on the floor, knocked out right there. It's our photo booth down there. Putting the balloon. What's good, y'all? This Kev here, back again with another video with part 3 or 4. I'm tired, so I don't know what. I got a long day ahead of me. Y'all find out later in the video what I'm talking about, or in the next video after this. I haven't decided how I'm going to break the video up just yet. Hold on 1 second, somebody.
Scoot back a little bit if you got to, so you can get a picture of the flags and shit.
We just pulled up the Huntington Stream, hunting, fishing, gun range.
Okay, I'm in. And I'm about to hit the video.
Yes, sir.
You got it?
I'm just taking a picture.
That car pulled up behind me? Yeah. They probably did the same shit I did. Since the GPS took us a whole nother way. I put my phone down if I drop into one of these little holes. So the place we went to, like I said, they got fishing. So they got, what she say, catfish, brim, and bass? Yeah, catfish, brim, and bass. Look at the water though. Yeah, I know. About to hop on ATVs right now. And you turn.
Yeah, I know what time it is, man. I'm finna hop on them, boy.
Yeah. You better hop on the ATVs. You better get busy. You better get right. You better get right. Out here grilling right now. Got the glizzies on deck, so no chill, no diddy. But yeah, hot dogs, hamburgers, you know the basics. The weather not the best though, but it's not bad. It was a little bit more cloudy out here earlier. But there go my jeans that I made. Let me know in the comment section if y'all actually like them or not. Her, him.
So I'm the aunt. I'm the little sister of the father to be or what have you. I honestly think it's gonna be a girl, cause like what? Girls all the way. So team girl, girl auntie, period.
I'm the aunt, and I think it's gonna be a boy. For real.
Real. Alright, go.
I'm Jada's friend, and I think it's gonna be a girl.
What's up, man? I'm the new uncle, man. I got a new nephew on the way. I know it's gonna be a boy.
You know it's gonna be a boy?
I know it's gonna be a boy.
That's a man.
I'm a cousin, and I think it's going to be a boy.
No, I got this! I'm the cousin, I think it's gonna be a girl. And I think it's gonna be a boy and a girl.
Think it's gonna be boy? Twins? That's how you feeling?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm the cousin, and I think it's going to be a girl.
I'm the uncle, and I think the baby's gonna be a boy.
A boy? Wow, that's how you
I'm the uncle, and I think it's a boy.
think it's a boy?
It need to be a boy
Why need to be a boy, bro?
because we need more boys, man.
Okay.
Boys
Alright.
are durable, man. Boy, we need a king, man. A
Alright.
queen is fine too. Don't get me wrong. Queen is fine, but
Right.
we need a king.
Okay.
Yeah, prince.
Hi, I'm the auntie, and I think it's gonna be a girl.
What? I'm the auntie. I think it's going to be a boy.
Boy? Okay.
Congratulations. I think it's going to be a boy. We're going to call him K3. I think it's going to be a boy.
It's gonna be a boy. Girl.
Love you, and just have a healthy baby.
Love you.
Love you, my guy.
I'm the cousin. I think it's gonna be a girl.
I'm just gonna go with girl.
Girl?
I'm gonna go with girl.
I think it's a girl though. You could just feel it.
It's not a lot of girls. We need some more girls. So, girl.
Alright, we're gonna go with that.
Everybody, I'm the big cousin Bryson, and I think that it's gonna be a girl. I'm positive it's gonna be a girl.
Yo,
Hey man, say man, look man, this Deuce, you feel me? Back with another one. Hey, this Kevin cousin, you know, shout out to Kevin and Jada. They doing y'all thing, y'all doing y'all bit one. I think it's gonna be, you know, 2 + 2 = 4, man. You feel me? It's gonna be a reckless royalty type of day. You feel me? Like it's another king being born.
Hey, KJ, how you doing, Jada? First, I'd like to say congratulations to my son KJ and his fiance Jada on expecting arrival of their baby. This is grandmother.
Hi.
It's truly a blessing to say the least. And with that being said, this is our picks for the reveal, the gender reveal of the baby. So with my guess, I guess I'm being a little biased, you know, because they say it's a man's world. So with that being said, I'm Team Blue. That's my pick. I'm Team Blue, and I'm just hoping for, ultimately, I'm hoping for a healthy baby. No matter what it is, I'm gonna love. And, you know, being a grandfather for the first time it's a feeling. It's hard to explain. But I don't want to be called Grandpa. We gotta come up with a good name. But Team Blue is where I stand.
Hi, I'm Gigi, KJ's grandma, and my new grandbaby coming into life. Congratulations to both you and Jada on a bundle of joy that's coming into this world. I just want y'all to stay blessed, take one day at a time, and enjoy this beautiful, beautiful ride. Love y'all.
So what's your pick?
My pick is, I've already called her Sweet Pea, a girl.
So I'm Team Blue, she Team Pink. At the end of the day, we Team KJ, Team Jada. So we love you, and we can't wait to meet your bundle of joy.
Yes.
Yo, Kev, I'm gonna start this off by saying congratulations. I think y'all gonna have a girl, but I'm Team Boy. You know, my son needs somebody else to play with.
Hey, Kevin. Hey, Jay. Listen, today is reveal day. Hey, and just like today, there's going to be many positive things that's going to be revealed in you guys' life going forward. I want to congratulate you guys for everything that you have done and everything that you guys are going to do in the future. But today, hey, it's Team Girl. Team Boy is coming right after that, though. So on behalf of Uncle Mike, your Aunt Don, Mikey, Quadir, and Bree, we love you.
All right. So this is what it is right now. Everybody thinks it's gonna be a boy. Literally. So not only this is just a gender reveal for us, but this is also a color party as well. So if you think it's a girl, you bring pink stuff. If you think it's a boy, you bring blue stuff. Look at this. They think it's little Kev. We gonna see though. Yo.
Thank you.
Ain't that fire?
Y'all not eating that today. I'm taking that home.
So the idea of this is, you know, Kevin real into sports. His YouTube channel is based around sports. So today is commitment day. We have to commit, and you guys will be able to find out whether or not we having a girl or a boy, or more than a girl and a boy. You ready?
Yeah, just to piggyback off of what she said, first and foremost, we just want to thank God and for this opportunity, for everybody being here, all the help we had from my mom, both my moms, both of my fathers, and everybody else as well. So for the next minimum of 18 years to the rest of our lives, because we'll always be there for them.
Wait, I'm not ready.
We will be
Y'all ready?
having a
spray.
Got that heat. You tell me to ignore it, but you think that I tried, and I'm
put this on my big head.
Just